Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics. Show grid lines and set zoom to 100% so you see true line behavior. Open View and toggle grid lines. This reveals cell boundaries that Excel sometimes hides. Next, inspect page layout and print settings because grid lines can be suppressed for printing. Once done, make sure no custom sheet view or conditional formatting is overriding visibility. These often hide lines unexpectedly. You're initiating the fix now, so proceed directly to adjusting line styles and borders. Now you correct appearance by applying explicit borders. This is how you force consistent lines. Select the range, go to Home Borders and pick a 1pt solid style. Lighter weights or dotted styles can disappear on screen or print. Change border color to black or a high contrast color so lines remain visible over fills. Also, inspect any cell fill or conditional formatting rules. They can mask borders. Once these adjustments are applied, the sheet will show stable lines across views and outputs. Finish by validating results. Use Print Preview and adjust print area to confirm lines print correctly. If on-screen lines still flicker, disable hardware acceleration in Excel options or update your graphics driver. Rendering problems sometimes cause invisible borders. Also, test the same steps in a new workbook. If lines work there, the original file may be corrupted or contain conflicting styles. If things go wrong, recreate the sheet by copying values only, then reapply borders. This isolates formatting faults and resolves stubborn line issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.